Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 13BA1009NS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 13BA1009NS has a cracked screen and the touch functionality has stopped working, you could be facing a frustrating situation. This damage can occur from accidental drops or pressure on the screen. If not repaired promptly, it can lead to further complications like internal damage or complete screen failure, making your device unusable. To fix this issue, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a suction cup, and a replacement LCD cover. Begin by ensuring your device is completely powered off and unplugged from any power source. Next, use the suction cup to gently lift the screen from the casing. Be cautious as you work around the edges to avoid damaging any surrounding components. Once you have a small gap, insert the plastic spudger to carefully pry the screen away from the device. The faulty component you will be replacing is the cracked LCD cover. To locate it, look for the screws securing it in place. These screws are typically Phillips screws, and you will need to apply a moderate amount of force to remove them. Make sure to keep them in a safe place as you'll need them for reassembly. As you disconnect the cables, handle them delicately to avoid any accidental damage. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the damaged LCD cover, take your replacement part and align it carefully in the same position. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, ensuring they are secure. Once everything is in place, reinsert the screws to hold the new cover firmly. To close the device, press down gently around the edges to snap everything back into place. Finally, power on your device to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If the touch response is working and there are no visible issues, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the screen. To prevent this problem from recurring, consider using a protective case or screen protector. Avoid placing heavy objects on your laptop and always handle it with care. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.